Hi, this is Maria from SAS, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to replace a script step. So from the Campaigns tab in the portal, click on the Details icon to the far right of the campaign you'd like to edit. On the next screen you'll see Edit Your Script in the upper right corner. You're going to click that to open your CallScript Builder. And once that's open, click the plus sign to expand the path you want to edit. Now in this example, we're going to replace regarding tow with address tow. But before we make any changes, you want to make note of any steps that are listed below the step you'd like to replace. We're going to need to add those back in later. So in this example, statement tow and closing tow will need to be added back in. In order to make our replacement, you'll click on the step above the one you want to replace. So here we're going to click on phone number tow. And on the right here, you'll see a next step drop-down menu. You're going to click this, scroll all the way to the top, and select the hyphen. Then click Save. You'll see that the path repopulates with a red dot and New Step. Click on New Step, and from this step menu, you're going to select Address. But you want to be sure to select Address above the asterisks. This is because anything above the asterisks we haven't built yet, and anything below the asterisks is already built. So Address Tow hasn't been built yet. We need to select Address above the asterisks. We'll click Continue, and you'll see that the step already is filled in, but we do need to update the step label. So we're going to need to add tow to the end of it. All the steps in this path end with the word tow. You'll also notice that down here there's a check mark next to the word required. That means that the operators can continue with this step unless the caller gives them the information. So we're going to click Save, and the path will repopulate again. You'll see that next to address tow there's an asterisk, and this denotes that it is a required step. So again, we're going to click on New Step, and this is how we're going to add our steps back in that were already built. So if you remember, anything above the asterisks is not built yet, and anything below the asterisks is. We know that statement tow and closing tow were already built. So we're scrolling all the way down to statement tow. We're going to click on that, and then click Continue. And you'll see that statement tow and closing tow repopulate together. That's because they were linked before we added the new step. So now your steps are complete. We went from phone number tow to address tow, replacing regarding, to statement tow and closing tow. It's as simple as that.